और Kapatisi TV. Phai University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Bakran halo ke Jingrung MPP Jong Baro ki MLA Congress ha ke nega jela ba President Tun Song Ulong bagi nu ki MLA kin omnur ben phet nak seng jongki ba ben let penyaso syako wei pat ke parti pada ki noya lam bat ki Paidbah nong kersan jongki ki mai jingmut yaki kum tau loong baga jingwan penyaso NPP ki MLA Congress ru de limbaga jingpha ki nong kersan jongki namar baki yoi yaki kampen roy baki NPP kuanra ha ke jela kumta gani ke Pyni bagi Paidbah minta gelap Phai Khmat ke NPP bar ke NPP ke pediang bet tara baro ki MLA bedan hiwe ki sengru ki wan men penyaso habakan halo ke jing kintho ke seng Congress berathi de ki MLA jongka daga pisa uba prestur ulong bagi seng Congress minta kandang hap maramot shuaya ladi namar bagi jing julor jong ke seng Congress kladai ban he.
You see, let me tell you one thing. Those parties who blaming us like that, in fact, they should realize one thing. They fail to run their own politics within their own party. Means they fail totally. And then whenever MLAs joining the NPP, they used to blame us that we paid so much amount. They are being poached because of money, this, that. But let me tell you, very, very frankly to all, why these MLAs join us, merge with us. It is not because of the money. It is only purely on the basis of the development. They have seen the development and they are being pressurized by their own respective leaders or voters in their constituency that we need development. So therefore, they decided to join the party NPP because this joining of them, I think it proved that NPP is the only party who can really provide development, whatever it's. That's what I'm saying. They did not choose, but ultimately they chosen to join NPP. It is not Ronnie who chosen to join NPP. It is his people. Means the mandate of the people ultimately. If their people does not want their MLA to join NPP, why should they? You get my point? So therefore now, see like 3 MLAs from Congress. Then again recently, 1 more MLA from Congress merged with the party NPP. Do you think these 4 MLAs who join NPP will not consult with their leaders, with their people in their respective constituency? They have to. So doing that, ultimately it proved very, very clearly now that people of the state now opted to NPP. They wanted to join NPP. As I said to you, just because of one issue, and that issue is development.
Why do you need more members? Your ship is already full.
It's not the question. It's not the question of need more numbers. But let me tell you one thing. The principle of NPP is we have a big room. Still, the door is open. If all the 60 MLA join us, the more, the merrier. As a president of the party NPP, we welcome. Still, if we get 60 numbers, we are very happy. Please join the NPP. But when you join, you should realize one thing. You need development. Beyond that, no. Because we are here to provide development to every part of the state. So we are here also to welcome the honorable elected representative if they wanted to join the party NPP. Till today, tomorrow, and maybe 1 year or 6 months or 3 months before the end of the term, we still welcome. I don't have any dialogue. What I would like to only advise again to the Congress Party, please revisit, undo and major repairing. Or the space is there because we have 60 MLAs in our state. I would like to see that all the 60 MLAs are also member of the NPP. Why should you ask me about breaking? We are not here to break anybody. Why should we break? It's not the question of breaking ourselves. We are not here, to break BPP, to break HSBPP, or to break any other political party like UDP and others. We are not here for that. As I said to you, what we are here is we have a sleepless night and we hardly sleep also because we want to provide development to each and every constituency in the state.
วัดเป็นเลนเอยากนิกากาบูกิศพที่โทกิบบ้าบัดช่องดอร์นาดูสาวโพหจาร์ฮัดูหันริวโพหจาร์ติงกามันตาพิลาบันโยฮักดอร์ไลโพหจาร์ติงกายากิศพที่โทบัดช่องดอร์หินโยโพหจาร์เชนงพินโยตังสันโพหจาร์ติงกาตังกตากะเวกิศพที่กะเดกะเวกดีไซน์ตั้งนักบินตาจงพีวันเจ็ดนกลอยนำโมไลโมโรบัดนำหมดพรันพูนอมันตาเฮาคนได้สาวไลหินริวสันพราหินโยไลพรา